You guys asked for it. Here it is. We have our Box Link QD quick disconnect for our E-Track mount. What this will allow you to do is remove the strap if you don't want it permanently attached to the truck. So what comes in the box here is, depending if you get the kit, if you already have our E-Track mount, you would just purchase the back plate or the whole kit. You're going to get the back plate, 4 washers, a T30 Torx. We're going to be installing it on a 2024 Ford F350, and it's going to go right here on the factory mounting points for a Ford Box Link. Got to make sure you have at least those 4 holes. Some of them don't come with the plates, others do, but you got to have the mounting points. So grab your T30 Torx. Let's get this removed. Alright, not going to need that anymore. We're going to reuse the screws. We're going to put the washers on them here. Alright, grab our mount. Tie down point goes up. Let's start with the top right one. We just want to get it started. Do not tighten it all the way down until we have them all started. There, move to top left. Now you can go back and tighten them all down. Alright, that's nice and tight. You can grab your E-Track. So we use both points on the E-Track, but if you want to just use, this will also work with just a single E-Track accessory. So if you have something else that you want to clip in there, it will work for that. But ours uses both. Grab that, it goes right in like that. Rotates in 2 different directions. Your strap, and then you want to come out. It's easy as that. Ready to tie something down. Go check them out, juggernautdesigns.com.